Do you want to learn how to create a Python package for ROS2 in just a few minutes? Then stay with me. This video is for you.
Hello ROS developers and welcome to the ROS2 tutorials video series. If you want to learn anything about ROS, this is your channel. ROS navigation, ROS with drones, ROS for autonomous cars, everything ROS is here. Learn ROS step by step and push your ROS learning in just 10 minutes of video. I am Alberto and today we are going to learn about how to create a Python package in ROS2, Crystal in this case. But before anything else, remember to visit our Robotics Night Academy, our online academy where you will find practical online ROS courses using simulated robots. No installation required. You will find a link to the academy on the video description. And now yes, let's start with the video itself. So as I've said, in this video we are going to explain how to create a Python package in ROS2, in ROS2 Crystal in this case. And yeah, so let's go for that. Like always, let's go to the ROS Development Studio. And I can also close the YouTube page. And we are going to create a new project. In this case, I'm going to call it, I don't know, Py ROS2 Py package, for instance. And then we have to select the ROS2 Crystal configuration, very important. Then we create our project and we start it. So let's start it and let's wait a few moments until the whole environment loads. Alright, so here we are, excellent. So the first thing we are going to do is to open a shell, open an IDE as well to visualize our files. And then we are going to source ROS Crystal in order to be able to use ROS2 commands. And we are going to basically create a package here in the ROS2 workspace. And I don't know if you remember the previous video or if you have watched it. If not, you can go there. It's in the same playlist in ROS2 tutorials. But in the previous video, we created a C++ package for ROS2, and for that we had a command especially for it. But for Python, in this case for Python, we don't have a command. The Python, it is in this case. So in order to create a package in ROS2 is ROS2 package create, the name of the package, for instance, and then we can specify the build type, which for C++ it's symlink, and for Python it's Python. But this is not implemented yet. This is like this. The Python it's not implemented yet. So we cannot do it like this. So basically what we will have to do is to create a default package as if it was for C++ using symlink, and then manually we will have to modify it, adapt it for Python. Yeah? So let's copy this command. Oops. Copy, there we go. And then let's go now to the ROS2 workspace src folder, and here we are going to paste this ROS2 package create ROS2 demo py. Okay, so this creates our package here, as you can see. And now we have to do some modifications. For that we are going to use an example package that already exists as a template. This is recommended to do, because it's not easy to memorize everything you have to do. So I highly recommend to use a Python package template already made. So let's go to the Crystal branch. Here we have it. And now to the Python interface here, and for instance let's select topics and publisher. Okay, so here we have a template for the package. So the first thing we will have to do is to create the SetupPI and remove the symlink list. So this symlink only is useful for C++, for Python it's not useful at all, so we can delete it, and we will substitute this for the setup.py file. Yeah? So let's copy the contents of this file here, and let's create our own now here. New file, setup.py. There we go. And here let's paste the contents of the file. Oops. Okay, there we go. Let's save this. And here basically you have some metadata about the package name, in order to create executables as well here. But for now, let's leave it like this. Let's continue. The next thing we are going to do is to create the setup CFG file, the configuration file, which is, we have it also here. So let's create this setup CFG file as well. And paste it, and in our case, we are going to call this ROS2 demo py and ROS2 demo py. There we go. ROS2 demo py. And as well, this is a configuration in order to install the scripts in the lib folder. Yeah, this is demo. Okay, so let's save this and let's keep on. Okay, so now what we are going to do is to modify the package XML file. So let's copy directly as well this one and paste it into ours, package XML. There we go, and we will have to modify the name of our package, which is going to be ROS2 demo py. Okay, and as you can see here, we have as a build type specified the amend Python. Yeah, because let me go back to the previous one. This is the original one. Here we have as a build type amend CMake. Yeah. So for this, we have to modify it as to amend Python. Yeah. And let's modify again this to our package name, ROS2 demo py. Okay. So let's save this. We have the package XML, the setup CFG, also modify it, and the SetupPI, which let's start modifying now. Let's modify, for instance, the package name for now to ROS2 demo py. Okay, so now what we are going to do is to generate the script, and we are going to generate it into a directory that is going to be called the same name as the package, the name that we have specified here in the, for instance, in the package XML. So you can see here it is specified examples RCLPy minimal publisher. Yeah, and here in the examples RCLPy minimal publisher we have the all the scripts. Yeah, so let's do this. Let's create a folder here which is going to be called ROS2 demo py. And inside here, let's create our demo.py, which we are going to fill with, for instance, this one, this script, which is a publisher, a simple publisher. Let's paste the script here. Basically, this, as you can see, it's basically publishing Hello World, the typical Hello World example. Okay, excellent. But we also need to place here a init.py function so that it treats all these scripts as modules. Yeah, so let's generate this file as well here. New file, init.py. There we go. Okay, so we have our script, our demo.py here. So now let's go back to the SetupPI. Here we already modified the ROS2 demo py, and now here in the scripts where it generates executables, we are going to remove all of them and leave only the this one, but we are going to modify it. Of course, we are going to call our executable demo, and our executable will be found on the ROS2 demo py folder, and it's named demo. Yeah, so we can remove this. And inside the demo script, so it's on the ROS2 demo.py folder, it's called demo, and it's under the main function that we have here. Yeah? Excellent. So we are almost done. So the only thing we need to do is to create this resource folder in order to install all the data files that we have here in the SetupPI. Yeah. So as you can see, this will install them in the resource folder. So we need to create here a new folder which is called resource, and this folder basically contains a file which is empty and that is named the same as the package. Yeah, so in our case, we'll have to create a new file here named ROS2 demo.py. ROS2 demo underscore py, sorry. Okay, so I think we are basically done. So we have created the SetupPI, where we have basically modified the name of the package and the script, the console scripts section here. Then here, remember that here you place the name of the executable and here you place the path. So it's inside the ROS2 demo.py folder and in the demo.py file. Then we have also created the setup CVG, where we have also modified only the name of the package, ROS2 demo.py, here. And in the package XML, the same. We have modified the name of the package from the template, and very important, the build type is amend Python. Yes? And also it uses the RCL-PY, which is basically the library to work with Python in ROS2. Yeah, the client library. So the SRC is empty. We are not going to use it. Same for the include. So yeah, and finally we have created this resource folder where it's going to install all the data files. So yeah, let's save this and let's compile. Everything should go fine. So let's come here and do a colcon build symlink-install. And let's hope that everything goes fine. Okay, so yeah, it has compiled our package. This looks good. So when it ends, we are going to source our workspace using the local setup. This sometimes takes some seconds. There we go. So source, install, local setup.bash, and now I should be able to execute the ROS2 demo.py and the demo executable. Excellent. There we go. There we go. So here it's publishing the hello world. And yeah, great. So basically that's it. As you can see, it's very simple. Always that you use a template, it's very simple. If not, it's very common that you will forget to modify something, etc. So I highly recommend to use a template in order to do this. And in a few minutes you can do it, so it's very simple. And yeah, I think that probably very soon they are going to release the support for automatically creating Python packages also. But well, until that moment you can do it like this. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, that it has shown you something new. And if you liked the video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel. We are publishing new videos every day. And yeah, any comment, any feedback, any idea for other videos, leave it in the comments section below. So yeah, that's all. See you in the next video. Goodbye.